In this quick tutorial, we'll see how to identify and delete WooCommerce customers who have 0 orders to keep your store database clean and optimized. Over time, many WooCommerce stores accumulate customer accounts that have never placed an order. These inactive users take up unnecessary database space and can slow down your site. To fix this, we'll add a custom Cleanup Customers page in the WordPress admin that lists and deletes such accounts in bulk. Copy the snippet from our blog post and paste it into your Code Snippets plugin or your child themes functions.php file. This snippet creates a new menu item under Users, Cleanup Customers in your WordPress dashboard. Once activated, head to Users, Cleanup Customers. You'll now see a list of all WooCommerce customers who have 0 orders. If you want to quickly find customers with 0 orders directly from your database, you can use a simple SQL query. This lets you see all customers who have never placed an order. Once activated, head to Users, Cleanup Customers. You'll now see a list of all WooCommerce customers who have 0 orders. If customers with 0 orders are found, a Delete All Customers button appears. Click it, and a confirmation prompt ensures you want to proceed before deletion. After confirming, the selected users are deleted, and a success message shows how many were removed. If there are no inactive users, a friendly message says, "No customers with 0 orders found." And that's it. You've successfully added a cleanup feature to your WooCommerce store, keeping your customer database light and performance-friendly.